How to authorize Revolut payments. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you on how you can authorize a Revolut payment. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. So if you'd like to authorize a Revolut payment, all you have to do is just go ahead and then first of all, make sure to just launch the Revolut application here. Now, if someone has sent you a money, or if someone is trying to send you a money, or maybe you want to approve an expense, or maybe you want to approve an income, what do? You have to go to the review tab and then click on the expense and then review the information. Now, sometimes or many of the times you will also see the bell icon from the top right, and then you'll receive a notification over here saying someone is trying to send you this much amount. You can approve it, or maybe someone is trying to request money from you. You can approve the expenses if you'd like as well. But to give you a basic idea of the context, you'll definitely find those notifications here, and this is how you can approve or authorize a Revolut payment. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.